In this chemical equilibrium, we've got 2 molecules of NOBr in equilibrium with 2 molecules of NO and 1 molecule of bromine gas. And we're given information about the heat of reaction. It's positive 30 kilojoules per mole. And we want to know which of the following will lead to an increase in the bromine concentration. If this reaction shifts to the right, we make more bromine. So we're going to use Le Chatelier's principle to think about that. In step A, I probably shouldn't circle that as an answer. In step A, we need to think about heat. The delta H is plus, switch to blue to emphasize this, plus 30 kilojoules per mole. That means it's endothermic. And a way to think through this is to add heat on the left side of this chemical reaction, and to think about adding this substance as a physical substance to just one side of the chemical reaction. It's not physically correct because when you heat up something or you cool something down, it affects the whole reaction. Technically, you're changing both sides at the same time, but this is a method to just figure it out. So if you decrease the temperature, you're actually removing heat or decreasing that amount. And Le Chatalier principle states that you shift towards the decrease. So this would shift left. And we, of course, want to shift right. So this is the wrong direction. What if we remove NO? NO is right here. If we remove NO, the concentration decreases. This means we shift right. So that is the right direction. We want to shift right. So I'm going to circle this as an answer. Okay? What if we remove NOBr? NOBr is here in the box. Okay? If we remove NOBr, we're decreasing the concentration of it. We shift towards the decrease, so we shift left, which means that's the opposite direction we're interested in. What if we increase the pressure of the system? If we increase the pressure of the system, what happens? Well, we need to consider the coefficients of gases on each side of the chemical equation. So the total number of moles of gas is 2 on the left. There's a 1 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. There's a total of 3 moles of gas on the right of this chemical equilibrium. If we increase the pressure, we want to shift to the side that has fewer moles of gas. So that's shift left. We want to shift right, so that's not going to give you an increase in Br2 concentration. So that's how you solve this problem with